Okay, we're moving on to the last one, which is the lion, which is actually my favorite one, using more of the golden yellow color. And this is the little guy right here. Let's show you a shot before so you can see where we're going to end up. Okay, right here. Okay, so let me just take a couple of balls of this golden color. Okay, similar in size. For this size, you can go ahead and do the V, just back and forth once or twice. Place it down, roll that into a ball, into the V once or twice, place that down. Okay, flatten it just a little bit. Take a toothpick, and I do it from the behind me. Take it and just push in here and push in here. Push in here and push in here. Okay, like so. Then what I want to do is make the body. So the body is a larger cone. Now this I place at an angle like this. Let me pick this up so the cone is going forward slightly. Let me pick it up and put it on here and then kind of turn it. So I want it to be about like this, going forward slightly. Okay, so now I want two smaller balls to do the front paws. I want the front paws to be right in front of his back feet here. So I'll take this, it's in a ball shape already. For here, since it's smaller, I'll just roll it right here back and forth to make it the cone shape. And I shall place it down right about there. Same with the other one, back and forth. And then pop this one here. Kind of angle them out. I like it angled out a little bit. Okay, so we need to make his little paws, so go from this angle here and here. Okay. Then what we're going to do is the arms before we do the head. So it's a ball similar to the size of the front feet, and then just start to roll it back and forth this way. Okay, we need it to go from here, so touch it down there, all the way up to the top here. And then what I like to do is actually take the toothpick, hold on to him here, and move this out kind of to the, well, this one's coming out to the left. Okay, I need to reposition that paw a little bit. Okay, all right, so now we need to insert the spaghetti into the body to support the head. Like that. Now we need a ball of the same color fondant for the head. And I'm just going to flatten it slightly, not a lot. Place it right this way. Let me turn it this way so you can actually see a little bit better in like that. Okay, we want to make sure we can see it pretty well from the front. And then we need two smaller balls. Okay, and then actually pick them up and you can attach them at the same time. Now for those, what I do is take a toothpick and just jab in there. Alright, before we go any further, we want a little bit of brown down the front, right here up his belly. So a ball shape, and then a cord. And let's move them forward, pop that in there. And then you have to pinch it. It's going to be hard for you guys to see. Pinching it. Take the scissors